The main focus of the work we do in my lab is to understand how animals communicate with one another. So we focus on this group of spiders called jumping spiders, and they have really good vision, and so they use a lot of colors to communicate with each other. So we're really interested in understanding like how and why males do all these really elaborate and colorful displays. So they're basically like tiny little peacocks. The males do dances for females, and they display colors, and they produce sound. And so we're interested in understanding how that's evolved, why males do these displays, and why females pay attention, basically. And one hypothesis that we're testing is that perhaps male colors help males avoid getting eaten. So females are typically larger, and they're voracious predators. And so when a male is courting a female, he has to approach a female slowly and do this elaborate display, and he has to presumably sending some sort of information to the female, like he's the right species and he's interested in mating. But then he also has to avoid getting eaten from the female. So we think that some of the color patterns that males put on their faces, like the bright red colors or like bold black and white stripes, those are typically associated with things that are toxic. So if a female sees black and white striped prey, she doesn't like to attack it. If she sees, prey that's like, covered in like red coloration, that's usually used as a warning color that, that signals that something is toxic. So that's where the makeup comes in, because the way we understand how, why females are paying attention and what females are paying attention to is we manipulate the color patterns on the males and then present them to females and then see how females respond.